This is honey chicken, and I started off with my plain flour. That's my plain flour there. I added some cornflour to it. I mixed it. Then I added little baking powder to it. I mixed it again. I added some chicken flavor to it. Added some paprika. Added chili pepper to it. I added cinnamon to that. Then I gave it a proper mix. As you can see, I mixed everything evenly. After that, I divided this into two because I will be needing some as wet and some as dry. So I left that aside. That is my ginger and garlic. I blended it. That's the blend of ginger and garlic. Then I went ahead. I cut my chicken into the sizes I wanted. But guys, I didn't throw away the bones. The bones have some work to do. So I cut it. That's my chicken cut. Then I went ahead. I seasoned it up with curry, thyme, ginger, garlic, paprika, any spice of your choice. Just mix it, but mine will be under the caption. So I mix it properly. I left this to marinate for about 15 minutes, 15 to 18 minutes. After that, I added some egg to it. I added 2 eggs to it. Then I mix it properly. I mix this. After mixing, I brought out my flour. I mixed this with water, just water, to the texture I want. That is what I mixed this to. Then after mixing, I brought out the marinated chicken. I added this mix to my marinated chicken. That's my marinated chicken, and that's the mix of flour I added to it there. I added that to it. Then I start to fry. I put my pot on fire. Then I added some vegetable oil to it. I start to fry. That is it there. I remove from the wet, chuck in the flour, like that, on and on till I finish frying everything. I left this to fry for I think about 25 minutes until everything turned brown. I was so sure that everything turned brown before I took it out of the oil. It is actually good for you to leave your chicken to fry properly before you take it out of the oil. Because I'm an African, I love my chicken to fry properly. So I went ahead, I brought out my fry pan. That is butter there. I added some butter to the hot pan. I added some blended garlic and ginger to that. That's my blended garlic and ginger. At this junction, you must ensure you're cooking on a very high heat. And that is brown sugar I added to it there. Brown sugar added to that mix. Then I added some soy sauce to that. I gave it a mix. All the things you're seeing there, that's garlic there. That's onion that I added to it. I just added some onion to it. All the measurements will be under the caption. Then I went ahead. I put my fried chicken into this mix. I turned it. I reduced the gas at this moment. Then I keep turning. I kept turning and turning and turning until I got that what I wanted. Guys, this is really nice. This is really, really delicious for people with sweet mouths. There's fattening. It has some calories in it. It has some carbohydrate in it. It has some sugar in it. It has some fat in it. It's really fattening, but it's good for people with sweet mouth. It has some protein in it, but the protein in this is lesser than the quantity of sugar, carbohydrate, fat in it. Guys, this is really, really nice. Really, really nice. I'm sure you want to try this. I'm very sure you want to try this. Thanks for always watching, guys. Do have a blessed life. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you've not done so. Bye.